Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. And if you stayed with the video to this point, or it's obviously you have, if you hear my voice, I thank you so much for that support that you're giving the channel. Now, if you don't currently subscribe, I hope you'll do that today. Make sure that you hit that notification bell a couple of times. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new content. If you're already a subscriber, I thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your support. And also don't forget to like, comment, and share for this video. Now guys, this Tablescape was a collaboration, and I want to tell you briefly about the host. This is hosted by the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Now that is a newly formed collaboration group, and the members are, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. That's Kale, she's the founder. Tammy Thompson-TVMG, It's Just Me, Robin, Love My Babies Forever, Tamara, Levels of Style with Sandra, and the wonderful Saving with Mrs Vee. So again, thank you so much. Please make sure you go down and visit the links to their channels as well as the playlist. Have a great day, guys, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.